94% of websites in Europe are essentially broken for millions of people. A massive study revealed that almost every site fails basic accessibility standards. This means over 100 million Europeans with disabilities can't use them effectively. Imagine someone who is blind using a screen reader, but your product images have no descriptions. They just hear a blank space. Or think of someone who can't use a mouse getting completely trapped because your drop-down menus and buttons don't work with a keyboard. They can't buy your stuff, read your blog, or access your services. This isn't just about being nice or complying with the new European Accessibility Act. It's about your bottom line. You're actively excluding a massive audience with significant spending power. Plus, many of the fixes that help with accessibility, like proper headings and clear link descriptions, also give your SEO a serious boost. An inaccessible site is bad for people and bad for business. The good news is that most of these barriers are surprisingly easy to fix. We're not talking about a massive, expensive overhaul. It's about correcting simple oversights like adding alt text to images, making sure your text color has enough contrast against the background, and ensuring your entire site can be navigated with just a keyboard. You can start with a simple automated scan to find the most obvious problems. Don't be part of the 94% that locks people out. Be part of the small fraction that builds a digital space that truly welcomes everyone.